Good day everyone! So today, nandito tayo sa may McDonald's. Malapit lang to sa amin kasi magpapareserve kami ng birthday party ni Amaris. As you can see, nandito kami sa may parang pinaka-park dun sa school nila. At magpipicture-picture lang kami para sa kanyang OOTD, sa kanyang birthday party kasi 4 years old na nga si Rizzy. And tingnan nyo naman guys, very cute. And ito damit na to susuotin niya ngayong kanyang birthday ulit. O diba? Masusuot niya ulit.
There we go.
I'm going to take you video. Diba? Go forward. Yan, go, walk. Turn around. Go walk. Back doon. Bye-bye. Yan o. Ayos din naman ang printer ko. Tama. Alin gusto mo? Yan ang gusto mo. Bakit? Bakit gusto mo yan?
Blue car.
Ba't gusto mo yan?
I like it so nice.
Oh, stop na. Ano masasabi mo? Ha?
Parang ngayon lang ako dito.
Palitan mo na yung ano mo. Ang ganda. Akala ko ano yung tinitingin-tingin mo doon, may order ka pala. Mo-order ka pala, sabi ko pa, gusto mo, may order ka na pala. Hey! Woo! Dati si Ate Gia lang kasama namin dito eh. Go. About Tracy. Go. Hold Tracy, ha? Yay!
Hold natin kaya.
Hold lang. Ayan si Daddy. Ayan!
You're right in the bed.
Wow! That's nice.
Oh, nice. How about me? I don't have horse.
No, right in the moon. Right in the moon, Daddy.
Oy, hold.
Right in the moon, Mommy. Right
Galing
in
ni
the
Daddy,
moon.
ah. Ang galing ni Ate, oh. Brave niya si Ate, ah.
Yay!
Daddy is a princess. Woohoo.
Natin.
Yes, Ate.
Natin kaya.
Ate Gia.
Yay!
Ate Gia.
Yes, walang video. Nahilo na. Racy! Racy! Where's ate? Ate Gia! Hi! Nahilo na si Inday.
Grabe nakakahilo. Ano ba yan? Wala. Ako na ang souvenir. Ako na.
Papa Smurf is too old to rule. They want to take his place. I must retrieve the magical sword of power. Whoever finds this sword will have complete.
May bunso.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yeah, you sing naman, you sing.
Oh!
Happy birthday, Breezy! Wow!
This is a special cake for you.
Wow!
Daddy bought it.
Wow, that's so nice naman. Dito tayo. Sit down there. Happy birthday. Daddy, how about the cake?
Let's open the cake of
Ay!
Breezy.
Daddy will give you. Dito, sit down muna.
Hey!
Happy birthday! Happy
Small cake.
birthday!
Ta-da!
Surprise! Sit down muna. Daddy will give you.
Daddy, can you turn off all the lights?
No.
Sige. Sige, we're going to sing kasi.
Putol pa.
Open.
Oh, sige na. Go. Ito. Ano kukunin yan?
Me.
Go.
Your hand's gonna hurt. Your hand's gonna hurt.
Me.
Happy birthday
To you. Ising natin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Sige yan.
Ano ba?
You're joking.
It's your birthday.
Happy birthday to
Oh,
you.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mommy, I eat the red one. Wait.
Ang dilim naman.
O, buksan mo na. Buksan mo na lights.
Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, blow na. Arisi.
Hey, mommy, I want to blow.
Okay, your turn.
I want to blow together.
Wait lang, wait lang. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
I blow it.
Ate know how to cook egg. Alam mo na ate magluto ng egg, ah.
Mommy, Daddy, I know how to cook it.
Wow! That's nice.
Is it done?
Ayun, isa pa.
It's
Go. Careful. Everything na ano. Good job. Careful. You done? Oh, galing naman ni ate magluto. Good job. Turn off
how to.
yung rice. Yes.
How.
Yes, go. Okay.